Red day on Thursday for Aquestive Therapeutics Inc. The Aquestive Therapeutics Inc. stock price fell by -1.50% on the last day Thursday, 17th February 2022, from $2.66 to $2.62. During the day the stock fluctuated 4.66% from a day low at $2.58 to a day high of $2.70. The price has been going up and down for this period, and there has been a 3.56% gain for the last 2 weeks. Volume fell on the last day along with the stock, which is actually a good sign as volume should follow the stock. On the last day, the trading volume fell by -66,000 shares, and in total, 221,000 shares were bought and sold for approximately $579.16 thousand. The stock lies in the middle of a very wide and falling trend in the short term, and further fall within the trend is signaled. Given the current short-term trend, the stock is expected to fall -52.81% during the next 3 months and, with a 90% probability, hold a price between $0.89 and $1.69 at the end of this 3-month period. Do note that if the stock price manages to stay at current levels or higher, our prediction target will start to change positively over the next few days as the conditions for the current predictions will be broken. Signals & forecast to buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Monday, February 14, 2022, and so far it has risen 5.65%. Further rise is indicated until a new top pivot has been found. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence MACD. Some negative signals were issued as well, and these may have some influence on the near short-term development. The Aquestive Therapeutics Inc. stock holds a buy signal from the short-term moving average. At the same time, however, the long-term average holds a general sell signal. Since the long-term average is above the short-term average, there is a general sell signal in the stock giving a more negative forecast for the stock. On further gains, the stock will meet resistance from the long-term moving average at $3.16. On a fall, the stock will find some support from the short-term average at $2.61. A break up through the long-term average will give another buy signal, while a fall below the short-term average will add another sell signal and strengthen the general signal. Volume fell along with the price during the last trading day, which is technical positive. One should, however, note that this stock may have low liquidity in periods, which increases the general risk. Support, risk & stop loss. Aquestive Therapeutics Inc. finds support from accumulated volume at $2.57, and this level may hold a buying opportunity as an upwards reaction can be expected when the support is being tested. This stock may move much during the day volatility, and with periodic low trading volume this stock is considered to be high risk. During the last day, the stock moved $0.12 between high and low, or 4.66%. For the last week, the stock has had a daily average volatility of 5.53%. Our recommended stop loss. We hold an negative evaluation for this stock. No stop loss is set. Is Aquestive Therapeutics Inc. stock a buy? Aquestive Therapeutics Inc. holds several negative signals, and we believe that it will still perform weakly in the next couple of days or weeks. We, therefore, hold a negative evaluation of this stock. Current score -3.677. Insiders are neutral, selling more shares than they are buying in Aquestive Therapeutics Inc. In the last 100 trades there were 3.65 million shares bought and 4.01 million shares sold. The last trade was done 177 days ago by Kendall Keith J, who sold 1,000 shares. In general, the insiders are selling more stocks than they buy. There can be a variety of reasons for this, but in general it can be considered as a negative signal. Predicted opening price for Aquestive Therapeutics Inc. of Friday, February 18, 2022. The predicted opening price is based on yesterday's movements between high, low, and the closing price. Fair open.